Alright, inside was first muck out yesterday, and today it's going to rain, so it's a good day to wash outside, so we're going to do that. So this is a before. Well, it's a little cleaner. This is about as clean as we're going to get it. We'll get a little green again, but it looks a lot better. It cleaned up not too bad. So this is the battery that came with it.
Is she dead?
I think she's dead. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. About 4 volts in it. It's usually, if it's below 10, it's usually. Need a new battery yet. So, we'll salvage the cables here.
Okay.
They belong to that solar panel. That's the next thing to do.
Give that thing a whirl and see if it works.
Yeah. I'll have to run into town and get another battery. If, I don't know, well, I'm going to hold off on that until. There's really no need for a battery right now.
Not really, no.
It's a pull start engine, and we need some lights in here, but
it's not critical.
Batteries will work too.
Let's see if this guy works.
Inside. It's good for a trickle charge.
Right.
Check that.
It's all zero right now.
Let's go 12 volts.
Not a lot.
Well, it's an overcast day.
Yeah, it's a bad day for it to try, I guess. So, okay, 1.24 volts. So she working? Giving you a little something.
Yeah. What we'll do, we'll just hang on to it.
Try it on a sunny day.
Yeah, it's an overcast day. You're not going to get much out of it, but it should be enough to trickle charge the battery. That's for sure.
Well, one would think. But the it's pretty dim out here. I mean, there's
Yeah.
lights here that have kicked on just because it's so dark.
There's no sun. There's no power.
And yet more scrubbing. Well, you have to put it in by itself, and you have to put some pre-treatment on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And wash it on hot. And there's a few things you can do with it. It'll get the buildup off, but it'll probably never make it exactly like it was. Good enough.
Good enough.
It's only for the boat.
There's a bunch of deck work to do, resealing, but for a 1981 boat, it's not too bad. Alright, starting to rain, so let's get the tarp back on her and dry her up and go have some lunch. Good morning.